Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up your Tweetdeck account and then put in a couple of different Twitter searches to keep track of this week. So I'm just going to, up here in the top, I'm going to type in Tweetdeck, TweetDeck.com, and it will actually put in that Twitter for you, because you don't have to create a new account for Tweetdeck. You just need to connect it to your Twitter account. And so you're going to log in with Twitter. And yes, you are going to allow it to connect and all that good stuff. So you do have to make sure and create your Twitter account before you do this. So once you get into TweetDeck, and I already have a bunch of stuff on mine, so I'm going to delete this. Really all it is it is a way to show several different searches on Twitter all at the same time. And it really helps with Twitter chats, which we'll talk about later, and other things. And so I'm going to get rid of these so I can show you how to do them. So this is my notifications column. I think when you originally sign in, it will give you like home, notifications, activity, and all that. And you saw how I got rid of those. I just click on this little line thing up here and remove. And usually it starts out like that. So this is where you can tweet from here, but you can also just look at the searches. So if I wanted to add a column over here so I can look at some Twitter searches, I'm going to go right here to this plus, add column. And then I'm going to go right here to this search. There's lots of different options, but let's just make it simple right now. So we're going to go to the search, and we are going to type in hashtag edu2823 and then just enter. Okay, so that is our hashtag for our class. And then one other one that I want you to look at this week, another plus and another search, is the challenge we're taking part in this week, which is hashtag PSTPLN. So for Pre-Service Teachers Professional Learning Network, and then enter again. And you're going to see all these different people who have already started posting. We're going to connect with other pre-service teachers at other universities with them as they're developing their PLNs as well. The other thing I do want you to make sure that's there is, so we're going to add another column and all the notifications. So I'm going to click on that one, and yes, it's going to be for my account, and then just click on add column, and you have to X out of that. Now on my notifications account, I like it to be over here so I can tell when other people are mentioning me or liking something that I did or retweeting. So I'm going to click on these little marks up in the upper right, and I'm going to move it with these little carrots right here. I'm going to move it over, and I'm going to move it over, and then I'm going to click back up there. So what I want you to do is throughout the week, you can pay attention here. If you have your TweetDeck open, you can see the different people. You can actually like and retweet things directly from here. You don't have to go to Twitter. So now your Twitter and your TweetDeck are connected. And that's really it. And it'll be easy for you to keep track of those tweets this week.